In this video, we will prepare the rear coilovers by setting the overall length and setting the spring seat height. Loosen the lock nut with the smaller of the two wrenches that came with your coilovers. Begin threading the cartridge of the coilover out of the mount. Continue until the bottom of the cartridge is 3.5 inches from the bottom rim of the mount. Run the lock nut down and double check the measurement. Tighten the nut with the coilover wrench. Loosen the spring seat nuts using both of the wrenches that came with the coilover kit. Adjust the lower nut until the bottom of the nut is 3.5 inches from the top rim of the mount. Run the spring seat nut down to the lock nut. Tighten the nuts using both of the coilover wrenches. Use a 9/16 wrench to remove the adjuster. This will be reinstalled later. We find the accordion boot to be ineffective, so we remove it. Slide the L22G 300-pound spring onto the coilover. Then install the spring seat and strut spacer from the N13A baggie. Repeat these steps to assemble the other coilover.